I'm gonna start working this metal back into shape. It's getting a new fender, 2 new doors, and then I have
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work.
I have a Ford Escape here. This one got popped in the front end. It's getting a new radiator support, headlights, bunch of parts in the front. We're still waiting on some parts to show up though. But I'm gonna go ahead and repair this hood. It has damage throughout this area. I'm gonna start working this metal back into shape. I'm gonna put one more coat over this real quick. I have an Impala here. This one got drugged on the side. It's getting a new fender, 2 new doors, and then I have some damage on this quarter panel I'm gonna repair. Not too bad. It's kind of hard to see being that it's white. I'm gonna dive into this, straighten this quarter panel out, and then my new parts should be coming today, and I'll go ahead and fit up my doors and everything. So I have this one all fit together, and my rear door lines up very nice and even, as well as the front door to the rear door. So I'm gonna go ahead, I gotta lift these doors back off. This front door was a used door, and it had a few dings in it that I gotta straighten out and fix. So, and then I will get it prepped out, ready to prime, and the quarter panel, and get it all primed up at the same time, and then I will send this one over to our paint department.